right, good morning, YouTube. So here's the truck. Nice back end. Got a little couple dings and dents, like I was saying. No big deal. But today we're gonna drive this. This is my '69 Mercury Comet.
So I took the car to a show and won my first trophy ever. I let the kids draw chalk on it. It was really fun. Everybody was a big hit and they loved it.
Over here. Anyways, yeah, we're going to drive this bad boy. It's Veterans Day, so why not? I'm gonna head on over to my buddy Gabe's house. He actually gave me this hoodie. What's up? Shout out. And yeah, go have some fun. He's doing a seafood crab boil. He's from Louisiana, so we're gonna have some of that Cajun food today. So yeah, let's do it to it. All right, here we go. We're gonna go to Gabe's. Yep, smoking a cigar on Veterans Day, drinking a beer. I'm outside enjoying the view. My buddy Gabe's cooking up some, I don't know, like shrimp, crab, potatoes, corn. They got some crab dip. It's a pretty good seafood spread. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be fun.
Good morning. Can I get a grande shot in the dark and a
Always get to He's a good girl. Do you think people should like and subscribe? Oh yeah? And hit the thumbs up button? Oh yes, I think so too. Good girl. Oh, it's a good puppy dog. Good job, Frito.